Do you use Shopify website or something else? Yes, we use Shopify website. It works with almost any website. I know Sue uses WooCommerce. The reason why we use Shopify is for us, it was just ease of use. Didn't really need to learn anything. You can get your own template up in, about an hour. Doesn't take that long. And remember, by this stage, if you are someone who's got your product up on Amazon, then at this stage, you already have all your images. You already have all your listing description. You might have a video, right? You might have your brand story. So you actually have all the content that you need to just go to Shopify, set up an account, pick a template, and then just throw that in there, right? And then obviously there's going to be little things that you need to do in terms of connecting your Stripe account or connecting your PayPal. You can even connect Afterpay, which is a good idea because that definitely increases conversion. There's also another app called Zipify that I use, which is a one-click upsell. So if someone goes to put in your product, that's a, let's say it's a coffee grinder, and they go to actually buy your product, it will come up with an offer and say, hey, would you like to buy a second one at 50% off, for example, right? And then they'll actually go ahead and do that. We do about 1,000 a month. I think that's hard to know. So we get a conversion rate of about 4% or 3% from 100 orders that go ahead and upsell themselves on something a lot bigger, right? So that's something that you can do. But yeah, start with Shopify for sure. Another thing that you can also do is you can obviously, if you have a Shopify website, that's cool. I just saw that. If you have a Shopify website, then what you can actually do also is find groups that are related to your niche. You can post your particular product in there. You can also do coupons on your Shopify website and share that with people, with your friends, your family, etc. And also another thing is I had mentioned last time that if you have reviews on your Amazon product listing, you can actually get those Amazon reviews uploaded onto your Shopify store also, right? So that way you already have everything there, including your reviews. So hopefully that all makes sense. But if you realize, Hoist One, PayPal, would you set up a separate business account and personal account? Yes, I would definitely recommend setting up a business PayPal account, the same business name as your brand name. And the reason why is because if you do it under your personal account and you start making a lot of sales, what will happen is PayPal will actually restrict your account. It's happened to me about 10 years ago, but it can definitely happen. So make sure you do set up your business PayPal account. Will Garcia, which 3PL are you using that has integration with Shopify? It's a great question. I'm actually using a 3PL, someone that's on this call, but I'll leave it up to them if they want to share who they are. But yeah, so I am. They actually log into Shopify account, and they will basically see the orders, and then basically from that they'll actually just print a packing slip and then ship it off. So yeah, it's all automatically done.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.